Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. Today, we are going to talk about 17 plants that are drought resistant. Number 1, Gaillardia or blanket flower, blooms in hardiness. Zones 3 through 10. Its blanket flowers have daisy-like blooms and vibrant colors. They reach 12 to 24 inches tall. They are ideal for borders and rock gardens. Number 2, Black-Eyed Susan, blooms in hardiness. Zones 3 through 10. They have bright yellow petals surrounding a dark brown or black center. Black-Eyed Susans can grow to 2 to 3 feet tall and are a perfect addition to a sunny flower bed. Number 3, the cone flower. Cone flowers grow in zones 3 through 9. They have large daisy-like blooms in purples, pinks, whites, and yellows around a spiky orange-brown center. They can grow 2 to 4 feet tall, giving height to any flower bed. Number 4, lantana, grows in zones 8 through 11. Its small, delicate flowers grow in clusters and often display a variety of colors. It can reach 1 to 6 feet tall and makes beautiful garden borders. Number 5, sage or salvia grows in zones 4 through 10 and includes over 900 species. The Mojave sage is the most heat tolerant. It has slightly fuzzy silver-green leaves and produces vibrant blue flowers. It can grow 2 to 3 feet tall and is perfect for garden borders. Number 6, California poppies grow in zones 6 through 10. It has delicate green foliage. The flowers are usually orange, but can be red, pink, cream, or yellow. It can grow up to 12 to 18 inches tall and can be used as borders or even in pots. Number 7, yarrow grows in zones 3 through 6. Its fern-like foliage and delicate flower clusters come in shades of white, red, yellow, and orange. They grow 1 to 3 feet tall and make beautiful borders and potted plants. Number 8, marigolds grow in zones 2 through 11. They come in shades of yellow, orange, red, maroon. Some varieties are bicolored. They can grow anywhere from 6 inches to 3 feet tall. They do well as borders, edgings, and in flower pots. Number 9, penstemon grows in zones 3 through 9. The flowers are tubular and resemble small bells or trumpets. They range in colors of purple, blue, red, pink, and white, and grow 1 to 3 feet tall. They are perfect as a focal point in garden beds or do well in large containers. Number 10, coreopsis, grows in zones 3 through 9. The flowers are daisy-like with a central disc surrounded by ray petals. They are typically bright yellow, but some varieties can be found in lavender, pink, and even bicolor shades. Dwarf varieties reach about 1 foot tall. Taller varieties grow up to 3 feet. They are great for garden borders or mixed in your beds for a splash of color. Number 11, rock rose or sun rose, grows in zones 7 through 10. The flowers are simple with 5 petals that can have a slightly wrinkled appearance. They are typically white, pink, or purple with a contrasting yellow center and grow 2 to 5 feet in height. They are versatile and look beautiful in beds, as standalones, and even in rock gardens. Number 12, gaura, grows in zones 5 through 9. The flowers are delicate and butterfly-like, with 4 petals and long stamens. They grow 2 to 4 feet tall and are typically white or pink. They make excellent border plants due to their long bloom period, but can also be grown in large containers. Number 13, lavender, grows in zones 5 through 9. The flowers grow in dense spikes on long stems. It is known for its vibrant shades of lavender as well as its intoxicating scent. It grows between 1 and 3 feet tall. It is great for borders, rock gardens, and containers. Number 14, verbena, grows in zones 7 through 11. The flowers are tubular and cluster together, making flat-topped flower heads. They come in a variety of colors, including purple, pink, white, blue, and multicolored. They can grow anywhere from 6 inches to 3 feet tall. Verbena are versatile. You can plant them as a focal point, in pots, and depending upon the variety, as a ground cover. Number 15, ice plant or Delosperma, grows in zones 5 through 10. The flowers are daisy-like with numerous slender petals in pink, purple, red, yellow, and white. It is low-growing, typically reaching heights of 2 to 6 inches tall, which makes it perfect for ground covers and wall waterfalls. Number 16, Mexican sunflower, or Tithonia or golden lotus. In zones 5 through 10, Mexican sunflowers can be grown as annuals. In zones 9 and 10, they may reseed and return each year. They are daisy-like with a central disc and radiating petals. Flowers are typically bright orange-red, but may also be yellow. They usually grow 4 to 6 feet tall, but can get as tall as 8 feet. Their height makes them perfect for tall or back borders. Number 17, blue fescue, grows in zones 4 through 8. It grows in clumps with striking blue-gray or blue-green foliage and reaches 6 to 12 inches tall. It makes an excellent border plant by creating a low, colorful edge along garden paths. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.